Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mesh laundry bags that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Meeall Mesh Laundry Bag. It is an extra-large mesh laundry bag that measures 24 inches by 36 inches, which is large enough to accommodate your daily laundry. The set comes with 3 high-quality laundry bags that are non-toxic and environmentally friendly. This mesh bag is made of quality polyester which is machine washable and breathable to prevent odor buildup. The mesh bags have a locking drawstring closure that helps prevent the items from leaking. Overall, the good thing about this laundry bag is that it can be used for an apartment dweller, college dorms, sorting laundry at home, and many more uses. Also, it can be used as a storage bag for toys, beach items, sporting gear, traveling, etc. Moving on at number 4, we have the TENRAI reinforced mesh laundry bags. If you are looking for the easiest way to hold and clean your laundry without leaking, this mesh laundry set is the best. You will get 10-pack laundry bags, 3 medium, 3 large, and 4 small. The laundry bags have a protective zipper cover that prevents the bags from opening in the washing machine, and the cover will prevent the machine from being scratched. All the bags are made of breathable and durable polyester fiber which is thicker, and the outer edges are sewed to prevent tearing. Well, these bags are not only suited for laundry but they can still be used packaging shoes, underwear, dirty clothes, sports gear, etc. The 3 medium sizes will provide a wide demand for all your clothes. At number 3, we have the Daly Mesh Laundry Bag. This mesh laundry bag from Daly is constructed of eco-friendly polyester that is tear-resistant, and it can withstand years of use. The heavy-duty bag measures 24 by 36 inches with a 20-gallon, where it can accommodate up to 44 pounds. It has an open weave mesh that offers breathability, allowing air to pass through to keep odors and dampness away. Maintaining the bags is easy because they are machine washable to prevent the clothes from deformation, winding, and scratches. You will find a drawstring closure that ensures nothing leaks out. What you will love about these laundry bags is the reinforced fabric handle that saves you work and makes carrying simple. Besides, the 3 color packs are good for sorting clothes of different color schemes. At number 2, we have the TENRAI Delicates Laundry Bags. Meet TENRAI laundry bags that are well suited for carrying garments when traveling. They are tightly stitched and have a rust-proof zipper closure that protects your delicates in the machine and protects them from damage. The bags are made of tear-resistant and eco-friendly polyester that provides you with reliability and many years of use. It includes 3 large bags that store different laundry, and the hanger loop design makes storage convenient. What you will love about the laundry bags is the transparent design that makes it easy to know the laundry inside, and the foldable design makes them easy to store. And finally at number 1, we have the Gogutta 7 pieces Mesh Laundry Bags. Gogutta brings you this laundry bag set with 7 different laundry bags that fit all your washing and drying needs. The bags are perfect for lingerie, laundry, sweaters, knits, activewear, underwear, and baby clothes. These laundry bags are made from durable polypropylene nylon that allows water and soap to flow hassle-free for ultimate cleaning. You will find an automatic lock that prevents the zipper from opening during the washing and drying cycle. What people love about the mesh bags is how they offer protection for your garments from snagging, pulling, or tangling when in the washer or dryer. Besides, the bags are perfect for organizing clothes when you are packing for a trip. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.